Good morning and welcome back to Anglo Siam Legal, based in the heart of Pattaya, just by Big C, Pattaya South. Today we're going to inform you just the basics of visa types in Thailand. We're going to concentrate on the more common ones such as marriage visas, family visas, non-B immigrant visas and retirement visas. In subsequent videos we'll be going into more depth about elite visas, destination Thailand visas and so forth, but for this one we will keep it simple. If you are residing in Thailand and are married, the most common visa type for yourself would be that, a non-O based on marriage. That is when you are married to a Thai national, you wish to stay here long term, and the requirements are simple. You must either have 40,000 baht per month being sent in to your account in Thailand from overseas on a rolling 12-month basis, i.e. 40,000 baht per month for a full 12 months. Or for your first one and any subsequent, it's 400,000 Thai baht for the marriage visa in your account. When you first initially apply, you must show the 400,000 in your account, and then for your subsequent extensions, you can either choose to have 4,000 in your account for 2 months before your extension, or prove the 12 months of 40,000 baht per month. Generally, the application is straightforward. However, for your first one, you are most likely going to get a visit from the immigration officers, as will your neighbours, to prove that you actually live there, that you are a married couple, and that you are who you say you are. Most documents are very easy. It's going to be your marriage certificate, your proof of residence, photographs of you and your family at the house, photographs of the address, etc. Of course, you're going to need your bank statement and any other information and documents that the immigration individuals request, but that is quite an easy visa option for you. The next one is retirement, and it's a simple process. You have to be aged 50 or over. You have to have mandatory health insurance from a list of suppliers provided to you. And again, the finances are the same. It's 800,000 in your bank account, seasoned for at least 3 months prior to your extension, or for subsequent years, 65,000 into your account each and every month for a rolling 12-month period. Again, you'll have to have proof of residence, proof of your stay, proof of your medical cover, proof of funds, and any other information that they ask for. That is the two general ones that most expats here are living on, your marriage or your retirement. Going on to non-B business visas, that's when you have been offered employment by a company in Thailand, or you have set up your own company that is running and you're employing staff. That ties into having work permits. So for a non-B visa, let's say you're incorporating your own Thai company. Usually it will be between you and one of your Thai partners. The Thai partner will have 51% shareholding, which is the majority. You will have 49%, the minority, but usually you will set up preferential voting rights to protect your interests. If you're married to a Thai national, then the theoretical registered capital of the company need only be 1 million baht. You will need 2 Thai staff to be able to apply for the business visa and for the work permit. If you're not married to a Thai national, then it's a minimum of 2 million registered capital and you would need 4 Thai staff. Business visas are a little bit more complex. You have to have a lot of documents from the Revenue Department, from Department of Business Development and so forth. If you're trying to apply for a business visa in Thailand, it is more difficult. You need to have qualifications, you need to have those certified by your home country and then legalized and certified by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Whereas if you leave the country to, let's say, Cambodia and place in the application for a non-business visa there, you bypass that. They will give you a 90-day entry. At such times you can come back into the country, into Thailand on those 90 days. You apply for your work permit, which is granted. You then apply for your 1-year extension. The documents are again the same, but this time the immigration will attend your place of work, make sure you are who you say you are, make sure the business is running, maybe talk to your employees. You'll need pictures of the location where you work, what you do, what they do, etc. So that's the easiest types. To get the work permit, of course, you have to have either a long-stay non-immigrant visa, such as a marriage visa, or your business visa, depending how you wish to do it. Work permits are generally issued for 1 year, but then in subsequent years you can apply and be granted a 2-year work permit. So it's quite simple. Marriage visas, 400,000 or 40,000 per month for subsequent years. Retirement visas, 800,000 or 65,000 a month for subsequent years. Business visas is all based on your employment or your own company, and the work permit goes hand in hand. Importantly, we get asked this a lot. What if I leave my job? So your visa and your work permit is part and parcel of your job here in Thailand. If you leave or your services are terminated, effectively your visa and work permit is cancelled straight away and you must leave the country right away. What you should do is go to immigration, tell them of the circumstances, and they can, where they want to, give you 7 days to put your affairs in order and have you leave the country unless you're changing to a different visa type. But importantly, your visa and work permit is cancelled the minute you resign or leave employment, and you must leave the country. Here at Anglo Siam Legal, we can assist with all business visas, marriage visas, retirement visas, work permits, company incorporations, etc. We have specialised and dedicated lawyers dealing with such matters on a daily basis, and we have in-house accountants. So for any of your visa needs, please contact us. In future videos, we'll extend these visas to different types and also do a dedicated one for UK visas for Thai nationals to get back to the UK for a holiday, to get married, or to reside there as your spouse. Anglo Siam Legal are here for all of your legal and accounting needs. Thank you.